Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best cloth-covered wire is probably one of the most versatile and aesthetically pleasing wiring options available today, offering a unique blend of functionality and style that can elevate any project, from intricate lighting installations to custom-built furniture, seamlessly integrating form and function for both DIY enthusiasts and seasoned professionals seeking to add a touch of vintage charm or modern elegance to their electrical work while ensuring safety and reliability. Number 5. B009 Textile Cable. This 16-foot textile cable is perfect for adding a touch of vintage style to your lighting projects. It's easy to use and will give your lamps a unique, creative look. It's an 18-gauge, 3-conductor wire with a maximum voltage of 300 V and a maximum temperature of 105 degrees Celsius. This flexible wire is ideal for a variety of applications. With a length of 16 feet, it offers plenty of flexibility for your DIY projects. The diameter is approximately 0.25 inches, making it easy to work with. Give your old lamps and appliances a new lease on life. It's perfect for updating antique and vintage items. Use it for pendant lighting, floor lamps, clocks, radios, fans, and other small household appliances. The possibilities are endless. The conductor wire is a UL-recognized component, ensuring safety and reliability. The cloth covering is purely for aesthetic purposes. What we like. It's perfect for your DIY project with its considerable length. If you are looking for a vintage style to revive your old lamps, this is the one for you. This will add a unique touch to your home lighting, making it a great choice for those who appreciate handcrafted aesthetics. What people say. It's fully insulated with the colored cloth covering. Looks beautiful and there are so many colors available. This wire fits inside a threaded lamp light rod and allowed me to rewire my hanging farmhouse light shades. Good product. Use this to replace cords supplied with lights that don't meet electric code. Includes a ground wire. Strong, easy to strip. Number 4. Gavitt Cloth Wire Guitar Kit. It's born from the 1950s American guitar-making legacy. It delivers unwavering quality and performance, just like the originals. This simplifies your guitar projects. No more tedious stripping, just cut, push back the insulation, and solder. The pre-tinned stranded copper wire makes soldering a breeze. The tinned overcoat keeps the strands together for a secure connection. You get 10 feet of each color, black, white, and yellow. It features a waxed cotton outer braid and Celanese inner braid, capturing the authentic look and feel of vintage guitar wire. It's proudly made in the USA using premium materials. It's made by the same manufacturer that made vintage guitar wire, ensuring exceptional craftsmanship. What we like. This guitar wire simplifies your wiring process with its innovative pushback design. If you are an electric guitar enthusiast seeking authentic vintage tone, this is your ideal choice. Its pre-tinned copper ensures easy soldering, making it perfect for guitar upgrades and repairs. What people say. When it comes to wiring for guitars, amps, or any vintage-style applications, this 7-strand wire is truly exceptional. What sets it apart is not only its impeccable performance but also the convenience it offers. The 3-color assortment provided with this wire is a boon for organization. It helps keep things neat and easily identifiable during wiring projects. Moreover, the wire arrives tightly packaged, ensuring its safe delivery when ordered. The most remarkable aspect of this wire is its pre-tinned and pushback wiring. This means you don't have to go through the hassle of stripping the wire, you simply pull back the cloth covering and start soldering. It's a time-saving feature that adds to the overall efficiency of the wiring process. Perfect for wiring a guitar. Good sound quality, very functional and bendable. Very easy to solder with and cut to size. Must have for guitar builds that aren't toolless installs. Regardless of your opinion. It's the same wire as every vintage guitar I've ever owned, so why mess with success? Plus it just looks right. I use it in every custom build and no complaints about tone ever. Number 3. Creative Hobbies Lamp Cord. Give your antique lamps a new lease on life. This beautiful lamp cord is perfect for restoring your cherished pieces and adding a touch of vintage charm. With its pre-stripped and tinned ends, it's simple to install. Bring your old lamps back to life with ease and style. It's not just beautiful, it's also safe and reliable. This UL-listed cord ensures peace of mind with its high-quality construction. Enjoy the look of a vintage lamp with the safety of modern standards. It's the perfect blend of old-world charm and modern reliability. Transform your lamps into stunning conversation pieces. Its rayon cloth covering adds a touch of elegance to any room. The ends are already stripped and tinned, making wiring quick and easy. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to use. What we like. It's a safe and convenient option with its UL listing and pre-stripped ends. If you need a quick and easy solution for rewiring your lamps, this is it. Its vintage look will add a touch of charm to your home while ensuring safety and ease of installation. What people say. The wire is stranded copper with a polarized molded plug. It is plenty long and the brown fabric outer cover is ideal for a vintage look. Easy installation, pre-stripped wire saves a step. Tinned ends make connecting the wires simple. Fabric cords like these can last at least up to 10 years where a basic run-of-the-mill appliance cord may only last 3 to 5 years under normal operating conditions. Number 2. Art of Tone Guitar Wire. It's born from the 1950s American guitar-making legacy. It delivers unwavering quality and performance, just like the originals. Wiring your guitar just got easier. With its pushback design, you can skip the tedious stripping and focus on what matters. This pre-tinned stranded copper wire makes soldering a breeze. The tinned overcoat keeps the strands together for a secure connection. You get 6 feet of each color, black and white, with a waxed cotton outer and Celanese inner braid. It truly captures the golden era of guitar making. It's made in the USA with top-notch craftsmanship and materials. It's made by the same manufacturer that made vintage guitar wire back in the day. What we like. This guitar wire simplifies your wiring process with its innovative pushback design. If you are an electric guitar enthusiast seeking authentic vintage tone, this is your ideal choice. Its pre-tinned copper ensures easy soldering, making it perfect for guitar upgrades and repairs. What people say. Great wires, super easy to solder. Easy to solder, bends easily and holds form well, looks phenomenal, and all around a fantastic product. This is good quality wiring for anybody who does at-home electronics work on their guitars. 3 colors of wire jackets give you the ability to keep your circuits looking clean and easy to follow. Number 1. Carry 360 Antique Lamp Cord. It's got a UL listing, meaning it meets high safety standards. You can trust it's safe for your home or business. This cord is made with a vintage cloth covering, a PVC insulating layer, and a pure copper core for durability and a classic look. At 50 feet long, it gives you plenty of reach for your lighting projects. It's perfect for a variety of applications. Its antique industrial design is ideal for adding a touch of vintage charm to your home decor. It's perfect for updating old fixtures. It's a simple, 2-conductor cord, easy to install and use. Rewire your lamps and pendants with ease. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll be happy to help. What we like. It offers great value with its impressive length and safety features. If you need a long-lasting and safe wire for various projects, this is a great option. Its versatility makes it suitable for both home and commercial use, offering a blend of style and reliability. What people say. It's great and looks very good. The clothing that covers it has a beautiful brown bronze color that goes well with dark or gold colored items, like the lamps I made. The wires inside them are approximately 14 gauge, so consider that if you're using it for high current applications, for lamps that are low wattage is fine. This black twisted cord worked perfectly for my pendant light project. The cloth cover makes it a little more of a challenge when stripping wires for connections, but you get used to it soon. The twists don't untwist too easily, thankfully. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.